I be Pidgin broadcaster. Of course, when people see me, then they think say I no go school.
I be Pidgin broadcaster. If people see me, then they think say I get money. They don't know say all these things are packaging.
Alright, I be radio Pidgin presenter. I be Pidgin radio presenter, you know. So normally people think the way I'm not the craze for radio when they jam me for real life. Say when they holla, the craze like that. Allow you who are quiet now. So they fear to near me for real life because they don't believe saying I'm I come scatter.
I be Pidgin broadcaster. Of course, people think say I suppose they look up. For real, why?
Yes, I be Pidgin broadcaster. Of course, you go think say everything what they talk for Pidgin, I the first translate them from English to Pidgin.
I be Pidgin presenter, and people think say if I go market, I no suppose price things. Now lie, I go price wella.
I be DJ for Pidgin radio station. Of course, everybody thinks say na trenches music and they play. Mara, yeah.